I have been waiting for this tech for a very, very long time. And it seems like about 2 years back, like OpenAI did with ChatGPT, we have the new Sora model out. Now, they did announce Sora a while back, but it wasn't available to public, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. So, what I have today is a good introduction to Sora, and also literally, I've not even touched it, how to navigate the whole tool, model, you name it. This is my first time trying it, and I have also not used it. So there could be a few mistakes that I made, but hey, that's part of the experiment. So if you're watching this video and this is the last video that I end up making in, I believe, this year, 2024, then Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. I have a cute little Santa for my daughter on the screen now. So what is Sora? In a nutshell, it is a video generation model. OpenAI now has two different product categories. If you see their product page, yeah. So they have ChatGPT, which is all of this, and then they have Sora. There's somewhere supposed to be DALI as well, but I believe ChatGPT includes DALI to some extent. So that's what is happening. With respect to Sora, I think they made the announcement on December 9th and they were slightly rolling it out. The whole interface is different. It's not chat-based interface, but for people who are trying to understand what Sora is, it's essentially a video generation model. So all of the videos that you see on the screen, like a giant grizzly bear with its cub trying to eat with chopsticks sushi, pretty interesting, or some sort of a futuristic video, or some sort of a futuristic Minecraft video, or some sort of just a absolutely insane video. There's like a tsunami chaos in some sort of a savanna forest, which is very different if you try and imagine about it. And this model has a bunch of features in general. Like if you go and look at the feature catalog, what they have talked about, and I'll show most of these features live, is you can replace, remove, or reimagine elements in a video. Like you can open large doors in the library, replace the doors with a French door, turn the library internally into a spaceship. Like, it's just crazy stuff. It's very hard to do. The amount of time it could take to actually do this by editing would be just insane. Then you can find and isolate the best frames, something that you like, and you can use it to complete the scene. And you can obviously do a little bit of storyboarding. You can optimize, organize. So you'll have to do 5-second generation. You can trim down the videos and make some sort of a continuous loops. Like for instance, if it's a fire element that you have, you can just loop a certain fire element and it will look very different. You can have some sort of, infinite staircase, waves, all of these elements where loops are there. It could help you drive a lot of traction. And blend is what I most loved. If you just see this, you have snowflake on the left hand side and beautiful flowers on the right hand side, and the blending of both of these two are just insanely beautiful. And you can then do a lot of style presets as well. So you have cardboard and paper craft, you have archival, you have film noir, which is like a film scene, you have original, and all of that. The pricing is, it's available I think in two ChatGPT plans. It is available in $20 plan, which is the ChatGPT Plus, and then there's a newly or recently introduced ChatGPT Pro. I am on the Plus plan, which means I get access to 50 priority videos, like 1,000 credits, and I can go up to 720p resolution and 5-second duration. And I think I'll get the watermark. The Pro includes like 500 videos. The duration is also longer, like 20 seconds. So if somebody has this, and if it's a media agency or an ad agency, this could be a total value for them. How much is $200? 200 USD is like $17,000. The amount of videos that you can create, like if you imagine 500 videos, 20 seconds, you are into Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and 5 concurrent generations, the kind of ideation that you would go through this is insane. And it could supercharge your content creation ecosystem. The resolution is 1080p, which is great, and yeah, all of that. So you just go ahead and then start using Sora. All right, so I will hop into using it. So this is the start of the tool. The whole interface is brand new. So they have a quick introduction video, like how you want to get into it around it. but I'm just gonna explore it, like skip it. So this is the playground. You are given with certain featured videos. You have on the left hand side recent, which would probably be the videos that you have generated, some saved videos. You can make some uploads as well, like if you upload certain images and videos, I think this should be an ability to apply some transformations on them or stitch them together or kind of build a storytelling with that. This could be an interesting exercise. You can change the aspect ratio. Right now it's only square and all of that. So you go to all videos, there's nothing, you can just click explore for inspiration. So I'm gonna start a video. I don't know, I like this for instance. So the prompt for this video was 3 chipmunks and 1 red squirrel running in snow wearing a hat. So I'm gonna take that idea, and because it is Christmas, I'm gonna make them 3 chip wearing a Santa Claus dress, playing around on a sledge. All right, let's do this. I have a couple of options. I have some resolution options, which is like 16:9, 1:1, 9:16, which is good because if I want to do short videos, I have that opportunity. I can do 9:16. I can do, change the aspect ratio. I have certain presets, like I can go to balloon world, stop motion, archival, which is like cardboard and all of that, the things which I showed on the website, like this stuff. So these are like presets. So cardboard and papercraft will make it look like cardboardish. Archival is more like historical, like a tinted film, grainy film. This is noir, which is high contrast, black and white with deep shadows. This is great for artistic storytelling, and original is just as it is. So these are predefined presets. If you just want to apply them, I don't want to. You can obviously upload an image or choose from a library as they have given you option. In terms of time, I have 5 seconds and surprisingly 10 seconds, which I did not know. Maybe the 5 second is priority and 10 second is different. I'll choose 10 second. This is 2 videos. It generates how many variations? 2 video, 1 video. I'm just gonna go 1 video. And a question mark is pretty much it. It gives you this will use like 50 credits at the current setting. If I change it to 5 seconds, it's gonna probably use 25. That's fine. Yeah. So let's generate the storyboard for this. So what it's doing is picking up the prompt, which is relatively simple, and now it has given me a video editor field. So this interface is completely different. Now I have gotten some sort of a outline of 2 stories. So it shows me that in a snowy woodland scene, 3 chipmunks and red squirrel all dressed in Santa Claus outfit, complete with red hats and white, trim frolic merrily. They are playfully chasing each other around a wooden sleds that's half buried in the snow. Beautiful depiction. The snowflakes fall gently from the sky, adding to the festive atmosphere. Tall pine trees surround them, their branches heavy with snow, creating a winter backdrop. The animals' eyes sparkle with excitement and joy. And finally, you have the chipmunks and squirrel take turns sliding down the snowy hill on the sledge, their laughter echoing through the trees. This is great. I couldn't have thought of this myself. Maybe I'll make this video start from 4 second, expand the caption. So the expand caption probably gives me the ability to change certain dynamics. Now it's changed to aerial shot. The focus shifts to the chipmunk as they take turns sliding. So the story is more done. I still have the option to kind of, it's the same, I think 1 video, but the same set of settings. I don't have a, 480p is, I have this option, 720. And if I change it to 720, I'm guessing it will use more resolution, but I'm going to stick to 480p and just click create. And I don't know how much amount of time this is gonna take. As I said, I'm doing this the first time, so probably there's a room to little speeden it up. So here's the cue for you, Gaurav. If you're editing, fast forward. So the video is queued, and can you click on it and see? Yeah, so you can see this is also nice. You can see a percentage completion happening of the video as well. And if you want to do stories like this, let's say if I'm going to try and do a bunch of experiments, like I'm going to upload my picture and tell it that use my picture to probably get me to speak or something like that. But this, I hope, is cooler. All right, so I have the generated video complete and they're sliding. This is nice. This is like super realistic unless and until if you want to transition, loop, remix. I don't know what to do. This is pretty nice. It did not go, I think, to 10 seconds. I don't know if it was actually 10 seconds or not. This is just a 5-second video. So this was created. Yeah, this should have been longer, I guess. Oh, I get what has happened. This is only uh I don't know how to solve for this. The video got generated, which looked pretty nice. It's 480p videos, and I can create a loop of this video. How do I do that? Oh yeah, I have a option to compress or change, generate variations, all of this. So it's like a basic video editor that can do a little bit of looping. Let's try and see if I can find certain quality flaws in this. And I would want to start here. If you see the first frame itself, the chipmunks are like, like if you see the feet, they're like a little not so nice. So there's still some kinks there. It's very hard to notice. Like this looks super realistic, by the way. Like if you can add some sort of a voiceover to this, and this is a fast-paced video, it will be very, very difficult to talk about it. You have certain options of blend from it. Like if I go to this, I don't have any blends, any option to blend it. I can do a remix, like I don't know, make this funnier. It's gonna cost me 25, and let's see remix. So now it's gonna make, I don't know, probably change a bit of nuances in the video to get to more of a funny state, I guess. And I have selected a strong remix. There was an option to do mild, which is noticeable changes, strong is significant, subtle is more. So remix is similar to, I believe, like a temperature in large language models. And again, the video is queued. This is probably just generating another different video. I'm gonna see how those two go, and then I'll just try to blend them. That's what I don't know, because that's what I see as an option. But you can literally describe certain 5-second scenes and keep on generating certain shots, and that will be super cool. So okay, this is complicated. This is just, I think the chipmunks are looking weirder now. Like this central chipmunk is just bad. This is pretty bad job done. I like the original one. This was looking pretty decent enough. All right, so that's what it is. And if I go back and download this video as a video, it'll probably just download as an MP4 or something. Take a while to download. Yeah, just download the video. It's like a pretty small video, 3.5 MB, which I can run on my laptop. Yeah, so pretty nice video. And if you want to use this as a, I don't know, just to send season's greeting to people and to your family, like put a caption, it's super useful. I'm not sure how I'm gonna end up using these video stuff here, but I'm pretty sure I'll find certain users, like publish to explore, improve the model. I don't want this. My plan is plus. I have done, okay, I have like, okay, credit resets also. There's some sort of option available here, and it will probably show you somewhere how many credits are left, like 951. There's a relaxed mode. Oh, so the relaxed mode is more like when you are out of credits, you can generate additional videos in a relaxed queue. So probably it's gonna sit in some sort of a batch mode where you'll not get an instant result. But that's cool. So the idea is what sort of prompts that you have used, and if you have made it very, very small, tangible, you can achieve good results like this. Like, there's still going to be some sort of errors, but it'll be very hard to notice given the kind of video this is. Like, it's overall, if you see the video, it's very hard to notice. Like if you can see people blending in a weird way in this area and just heads popping up, so some directions here and there, but overall it looks pretty decent. All right, so that was a quick, I don't know, pretty long overview of OpenAI Sora. Let me know what do you think, and if you're interested in certain prompts, dump them to me in the chat. I will try to put out a video for it. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.